Hi friends, in the last video we covered about the list and tuple and the difference between them. Now I am discussing about the set data type. If I want to represent a group of values as a single entity where duplicates are allowed and also order is not required, for this requirement we can go for set data type. A Python set is a collection of unordered items which element in the set must be unique, immutable and sets remove the duplicate elements. Set are mutables, which means we can modify it after its creation. I will show you some examples. Set will come under the curly braces. S equal to, inside the curly braces, you can mention integer or float, even string. Again, I am entering the duplicate value. First, we will check the class. Class is set data type. Okay. Now let's print this as. It remove the duplicate and also it is not in order. Here it is showing if you again um, adding something like here you see it is not in order, so set is not ordered. Okay, and duplicates will remove in the set. And the main thing is important thing, please remember, set is mutable. So here indexing concept and slicing concept is not available because the it is not ordered, so it will the values will change for every execution. So we can't mention this is the first index, this is the last index like that. Let's try this one. Yes, so index it will show type error. Okay, even if I use slice operation, the same type error, because indexing and slicing concept is not applicable. Set is heterogeneous object is applicable because we can mention any data type inside the curly braces. If we want to add values in list, we will use append, but here we can use s equal s dot add 60. Here it is added. In list we will use append method, right? But in set we need to use add method, and remove method is used to remove values. What is the reason we are not using append method? And why are we using add method? The reason is append means it will come last. It will add whatever you things you add, it will come last. In the order, it will come last. But here it is not ordered, right? So we can't mention it go to the last, assigning the values in the last of our indexing. So here we using the add method. Um, Even if we need to add 50 using the append method means it will show definitely an error because append will add the value in the last. So only we can use add method here. We can't use the append method. Okay, because in set it is not an order, so we can't mention go to the save the newly added things to the last. Now if I take s equal to empty curly braces. In list we mentioned empty square bracket means it is a list method, empty creation. But here if you create try to open this curly braces empty means it will not consider as a set. It is not empty set. It is a empty dictionary. I will show you. It is a dictionary type. Already mentioned, the curly braces will come for set and dictionary type. You can check print of type of s means it will show the dictionary. Why it is dictionary type not set type means in Python dict type is regularly used by developers. Set is rarely used in Python. So the due to that reason privileges is high for the dictionary. Then immediately you may ask how can I create empty set? If you want to create any empty set, you need to call set function or method. Okay, like s equal to set. This is a empty set. If you type now, it will show empty set. Creating an empty set is a bit different because empty curly braces are also used to create dictionary as well as so Python provides the set method used without an argument to create an empty set. Python also provides the set method which can be used to create set by the passed sequence. Like day is equal to set of this type also set type, and if we try to print, it will show in curly bracket. We are mentioning in inside the method we using the square bracket, but here it will show in curly braces. Okay, output will be come in curly braces, and it contains any type of element such as int, float, tuple, etc. But mutable elements. List dictionary set can't be a member of set because it is not an mutable. Okay, example I will show one program s1 equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Here everything it is a heterogeneous string, integer, float value is that. If I try it is accepted, right? If I am trying to create another one, s2, same integer, everything is there. Here I am trying to give list. Immediately it will throw an error. Unhashable type list. Okay. Here we created two set. S1 have immutable elements and S2 have one mutable element as a list. While checking the type S2, it will raise an error, which means set can contain only immutable elements. We already discussed the add method. Python also provided one more method for adding items to the set. It is an update method. Okay, add method is used to add a single element, whereas if you want to add multiple elements means we can go for update method. And also we can use the remove method and discard method. Discard method means we can remove everything. Clear means it will remove all the thing inside the for example, if inside the s1 we have 123 python 20.5, right? S1 dot clear. No, print s1. I forgot to put the bracket, parenthesis bracket. Now let's check. Everything is removed. Empty set. But S1 is there. Empty set is there. I want to clear that also means I need to mention discard method. Discard is remove the element which is available inside the set. Like first I will give, if I want to remove the 20, I can mention as to dot discard of 20. Are you clear, guys? Okay, if you like this video, please click like and share and subscribe this video.